This is how to connect your iPhone to your HD TV using this plug-and-play Apple adapter. Just connect your lightning cable to the lightning port on your iPhone, converts it to HDMI, audio video. Connect your HDMI cable, preferably 2.0 version, to any of the HDMI ports in the back of your TV. And yes, you can charge your device using your lightning to USB cable at the same time as the HDMI cable. And select a video source on your TV and it will mirror your iPhone to the TV screen. So if you're holding the phone vertically, you'll get a vertical image on your TV screen. If you turn the phone horizontally, then you'll get a full screen image. And the audio will work as well. Now this adapter works for iPhone 5 and iPhone 6 as well as the newer versions of iPad. If you have an iPhone 4 or 4S or older versions of iPad, there is another adapter for you. It is an aftermarket adapter and it's hit and miss, so you got to try it out for yourself and see if it works for you. Now the Apple adapter I'm using is expensive. It's $40, but it has 4.5-star reviews on Amazon versus the cheaper adapters. Their reviews aren't as good. It's basically hit and miss. Some people say it works, some people say it doesn't. You got to try it out for yourself. Now if you're getting audio video problems, you may want to trade out your old HDMI cable to your newer version HDMI cable, preferably version 2.0. Now you can connect your iPhone wirelessly using a wireless adapter like a Google Cast, and that would work as well. But using a wired connection is more reliable and gives you the least amount of audio video lag versus a wireless connection. However, using a wireless adapter is a little bit more convenient to use. And so if you're interested in this item, go ahead and check out the video description below. If this video was informative, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to Tampa Tech for more how-to videos like this one, and share this video. Click on the share button below to anyone this video may help.